Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to hide your last name on LinkedIn. Perfect if you want a bit more privacy or just prefer to use only your first name. This is especially useful with LinkedIn's latest update, which gives you more control over your personal information. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in with the account where you want to make this change. Once you're on the homepage, look at the very top right corner. You'll see a small icon that says, Me. It's usually a tiny profile picture or your initials. Click on that. After clicking Me, a menu will drop down. Look for the option that says Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click on that. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the important controls for your account, so you can adjust things like your profile visibility, notifications, and of course your name. Now, you'll see several tabs on the left side of the screen. We're interested in the one called Visibility. Click on it. Here, you'll find options for what other people can see about your profile, including your name, headline, and more. Under the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see your last name. Click on that. LinkedIn will show you a few different choices for how your last name is displayed. To hide your last name, look for the option that lets you display only your first name or initials. Select the option that removes your last name from public view. Once you make your choice, LinkedIn will automatically save your new settings. That's all there is to it. Your last name will now be hidden from anyone who views your profile, giving you more control over your privacy. Remember, you can always go back and change these settings if you change your mind. LinkedIn makes it simple to adjust your privacy preferences whenever you want. This new feature is a great way to keep your information just the way you like it, especially if you're using LinkedIn for networking but want to keep some details private. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. Have a great day.